we are, 7 a.m. back at the bowling center. You guys know how I feel about morning blocks. I'm not a morning person. Here, we just ordered some breakfast. Roll call in 30 minutes. We bowl at 8 o'clock. We need to find some energy. Filming for us again. Good work. Anyways, we're 2 games in. 220-0, 1 win, 1 loss. I don't feel like I'm throwing it great.
You lost last game?
No, I lost the first game. Not the best. Ball reaction's not great, not throwing it great, not super confident. Also still kind of tired, still trying to wake up. Yeah, piece of advice, make sure you get enough sleep before you bowl the next day. I definitely don't, most times. We got a long ways to go. Make the top 3 to make the ladder. So yeah, 10 more games. It's enough time for me to wake up, right?
Nope.
The struggle bus. We're 5 games in now, 1 and 4.
Not even that good.
Just shot 190. Ball reaction is not quite the same as yesterday. And when you have one option that looks good in a building and it doesn't work, it's not good. So we're gonna try some different things and hopefully get some different results. We're struggling hard. I'm throwing every ball in my bag. Nothing looks fantastic. I finally found something with the RST though. Down 20 in the match so far. I think we're 3 and 5. I think we're 8 games in. No idea what the standings are looking like. I'm not bowling well at all today. We're trying to hang in there. A lot of bad shots. Ball reaction's really bad, but it's crazy how tough they got compared to yesterday. Day to day, all the different re-oils. You just never know what you're gonna get. All right, we're 11 games deep, going into position round. Bowled a pretty good game, 1 by 1. I think we're still gonna be pretty far out. I'm not really sure if we're gonna have enough, even if we bowl 300. I think some good things need to happen for us to make this step ladder. It's been a very poor day, execution-wise, ball reaction-wise. It's just been kind of a struggle. We gotta have days like this. We're gonna do the best we can to get as many spots as we can, and then chalk it up as a good weekend. Hey, we never know, we might make the step ladder. We'll see. Guys, I sucked today. I think I ended up finishing 6th. Wasn't my day. I didn't bring the right balls for what I needed. Kind of make do with what I had, and it's always really difficult when you don't have it. and you can't just repeat shots. It's really amazing to me how different they were today than yesterday. Much flatter. Couldn't do what I did yesterday. I spent way too much time scrambling to figure out what I needed to do. I also spent way too much time in the ball that I threw yesterday. Lesson learned. You know, sometimes we keep making the same mistakes. It's an everlasting process. But we're gonna hang out and watch the step ladder. Roommates bowling for the title. JAKOB BUTTURFF is your #1 seed. Marshall's in second, and then Northwest regular Eddie Smith is gonna round out your top 3. So we're gonna head in there and get some footage, see what happens. Situation, what do we got here?
Hometown, Marshall, and Eddie rolling off right now. Eddie's got a 7-pin deficit with a strike in the 9th. Marshall's also got a strike in the 9th. Here goes Eddie. Ooh, 6-2 pin. Been doing this all match. Strikes out, forces Marshall to double.
Should be a commentator on the PBA tour. Should take Randy's job. Calm, cool, and collected. Randy is the opposite.
No. Marshall just left a 3-6-10. He must pick up the spare. 9 to win.
I gotta apologize, I'm still a rookie vlogger. I'm missing all the moments. I'm really distracted. I got some french fries in front of me and just stuff in my face. I just want to say sorry. What's this looking like, Peyton?
Not looking good for the amateurs.
A massacre?
JAKOB BUTTURFF's doing JAKOB BUTTURFF things.
All the way from Tempe, Arizona, Mr. JAKOB BUTTURFF.
Well, that's a Butters win. That's awesome for him. His mom just passed away in November, as a lot of you probably know, and if you didn't, now you do. So this being Mother's Day and him getting a win is pretty special for him. Congrats again to Butters, and congrats to Marshall for bowling well. I know it's not what we wanted, but it happens still, you know? It's a good weekend. It's a good weekend. Good event. And he's gonna go play golf, and I'm gonna go watch softball, so maybe we'll get some of that on vlog.